Mame Mao Akwaba and Foumbra Ganesem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching. Ebusianfo Afia Schwar and ende watu to be a day amane His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no na edensem na Afia eka Afia say 2024 ye babeto aba no eye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama then candidate de ma NDC amayokuo no ede ne ho ebo asofo bi omo Ghana hanom eho na campaign so 2024 ni mu eba no ye behwa asofo bebre e no omo pai e de ema His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na Afia Schwar say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama be president amambu ohusi even though wa be president akwasa so aba no chese the second one e de who left kwan we hu right you know the akọ center chese aye basa akra na Afia Schwar say asofo we abon pai amount ebeside na wo buy no che pad na abeche because empire na course no asofo na ebi mu deserve cross and commode omonsa bebu so abon pai e de amount ntinye wawa sa membo no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ehu so yeti nsem na Afia Schwar e de etuya
our president, the most powerful man in Ghana. No matter how me we do, almost say go pampem. And two so young was see. I didn't want the word him because of course, yes, people you are supposed to be praying for, they are praying for you in the name of their pastors. And two so young Jano, sanitary pardon, quantity them. What the angels can about them the mail. One kind Bible. And then I'm more here anything is out to a pumping bomb, a bomb pie amount of mama. Say you trying to wait to be a damn no about one kind Bible. Obi a when you was catching woman and said, then I said, go up and pem. So our mama was John. Would you John the how power? Would you John? I me couldn't John me by the John and Hammy. Because old John the how? What do you know? Me need the entire so spell JOHN. Because of the JON. What John the how? We are John. Would you answer woman years to come here? What about the pana? Where cry when you're no.
Madrid na ya na da he o minister twatro de age power we twatro da mo ya tene to ene wo kwa you are paying close to 400 more than you used to pay, close to 400 more than you used to pay, and we are bringing your attention to this. You come on the page and instead of you looking at what is going on, you are fooling around because your party is in power. We are ne nyanse ni NDC foni bebre trim homo nyene Ghana ho. One million Ghana home. Sabe, MDC for our passport, I only two coin. And MPP for so what on my passport. Baby NDC for your passport, you know, it's different from baby MPP for your passport, Anna. The TPB saying that's a me, my research draw attention to it. Who be taking this old Debbie, where the boy no MPP need about the Okano. In fact, seeing the national yet to minister Kasa, the minister ye be a boy, you are not looking at that. You are not looking at that. But sana beye. Se wonim preko ebo brabo mu ade bi on be yo hufi. Because e bra ye try say e be hohoro ye hono no so odwene ha wo de ateche ne go ta be fie ho. And that is exactly what NDC people are. Now maybe the foolish ones haven't seen the damage it is causing to us. And now ye can say, for those of you who know what a blocker tried to do, or buy or try say Washington embassy is one of the key embassies of Ghana. If not the most important, the key embassy we have globally. Say or no block one fail say. Yet the MP before the go NTO close no. Now we change staffs here. Now on no block one I selecting from 4 person opposed to America. Embassy. When I tell you these people are foolish, believe me, they are foolish. Their brain capacity does not think two things. It thinks only one thing, and after that, it's done. You guys are not serious. That is why you can defend such stupidity. Mumu bina general atons like a boss sa. Intina mutumi e defend this ankwasi asemu. As we speak, because of sa action now okuja toye yentino. Se Ghana for ya nhwe ye hu ye a other foreign countries be siw yen me ye kutua debt at the amount because their personal information has been compromised due to stupidity and lack of due diligence. The stupidity part is the part say my ba bemu me ba ye minya 6 months se me yi obi kura me ma de omu process ni na nwie after 6 months take on na te me yi obi anu me yi kakra na me se assistant director ade cha me se assistant secretary assistant we na o se ne kakra akra de ko. You don't take a stupid decision to shut down such an entity and sack the people who were doing the Jumana Yedia Somunsano. All in the name Sawamunya NDC for into the NDC for back. And they will take it a decision. No. Ghana stands at a chance of being what? Being sued by so many people because their what? Their identification, their IDs, their informations has been compromised. Now, when this if we Jimmy for now, you can be a modern politics, no. Muntia, me ameti. Me popular me be ye ni na ye sankwasi ade ni nti me be ka kire mo. Samu kaya ebirebi. Ababa we bi ba ya na e friend say wa broni akua me ankasa makua. Say wa broni say woni sebe ya papa nanado akoye bibi. Emma owo hu photo ni ade. Yani ane ya ba ni de ni anim say ye no kure. Ekowi akire no ono ankasa ne voice note ya wo ye ma ne maame eyama ne nanfofo ne nsam a wo tworo ekika ye nina ebedadi enkomo a wo ne hopsin bitterness adoye ekoye ye ninara ebeka me kwasi apia metie imensa utie unim dia me de I will come and expose it me baaye no sometime na me ne Chairman Drew ena na ye adwuma na ono operate from the state na me metia ya yesho wa hihye bibia kama tie ha mete adwumam eye adwuma okay ene yese a police fo hwehwe me ene yese a police fo hwehwe me boni ben na maya enye se maya boni bi o me boni amaya ne se information na me de kire ye no na akua se wa den ni information wo ho amanya den man cover
Bible say odum ahobrase for na hantan for do si won kwan say the papa ya ahobrase sitie how I will see your job baby obeduru bi otimi ni nipa nyina atena somdwe say the Bible kan ye no na wo de asema sinsu